Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to use Coinbase Pro for advanced crypto trading. If you're looking to elevate your trading strategies with professional tools, this guide is for you. Why choose Coinbase Pro? Coinbase Pro offers lower fees, advanced charting tools, and various order types, making it a great platform for experienced crypto traders. Steps to get started with Coinbase Pro. 1. Sign in or create an account. Log in with your existing Coinbase credentials or create a new account. Complete the verification process to ensure full access to the platform. 2. Deposit funds. Navigate to the Portfolio tab to transfer funds from your Coinbase account, bank account, or a cryptocurrency wallet. 3. Familiarize yourself with the interface. The order book shows live buy and sell orders. The price chart includes tools like candlestick patterns and depth analysis. The trade history displays recent transactions. 4. Place advanced orders. Market order. Buy or sell instantly at the current market price. Limit order. Set a specific price to buy or sell. Stop order. Automate trades when a target price is reached. 5. Monitor your trades and portfolio. Keep track of active orders, past trades, and overall portfolio performance. Use the analytics tools to refine your trading strategies. Pro tips for success. Use technical indicators to analyze market trends and time your trades. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Experiment with small amounts before scaling your investments. Coinbase Pro empowers traders with its robust tools and efficient design, perfect for navigating the fast-paced crypto market. Have you used Coinbase Pro? Share your tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tutorials. See you in the next one.